Welcome to GooeyTrade and the MatchTrader platform video series. In this video, we will take a look at basic charting on MatchTrader. To get a full screen view of the chart area, click the Expand button. The toolbar is located here and you can change time frames from 1 minute to 1 month. So, each candlestick represents price action during, for example, 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, etc. You may change your price display from candlesticks to line. Click here for a single chart mode or a variety of multi-chart modes. Multi-chart modes display the last charts you viewed with the newest ones on the left or top left. You may change symbols by making a chart active and clicking a new symbol on the watch list. The first chart will be maintained when you switch back to single chart mode. You may zoom in and zoom out. Click here for the crosshairs and the statistics for each candle. Graphic tools are available like Fibonacci and trend lines. You may change the color and thickness here, manipulate the lines, and delete here. We will have a separate video on MatchTrader graphics. As well, we will take a more detailed look at indicators in other videos. You have a huge variety, including Bollinger Bands. Once an indicator is in place, you may click here to reconfigure it, or delete it. You have moving averages where you can select the period, the type, the color, and line thickness. Oscillators where you may configure and set the colors and line thickness. And delete here. Settings where you can elect to display the grid and your open positions. You may use your mouse cursor to look at previous price action or backtest. And use this forward button to return to the present time. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade MatchTrader video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on MatchTrader.